Maloto. I'm a college counselor and I'm assigned for the working students, CDP. And I'm also assigned as counselor for GDD IT. You know what is GDD? Game Design Development. Okay, IT, no? Okay. So, I'm married. Kailan pa bang age? Of course, I'm very honest with my age. I'm 54. I have 4 children. 3 graduated from College of St. Benil.
Renieto Bartolo. I'm 56 years old. I'm single and a guidance counselor of Del Sal College of St. Benil.
Okay, I'm Father Elvis Fernandez. I'm from Goa, India, and I belong to a congregation called Missionaries of St. Francis Xavier, which started in India, Goa, India. And I'm 35 years old, taking up a PhD in clinical counseling psychology from De La Salle University. Currently, I'm doing my internship at this counseling center.
I am Lisa. I am one of the counselors here. I'm in my 30s na. I'm single. Available.
Okay. I'm Mary Vic Chuang, 8 years old, single, student of the University of Santo Tomas, Bachelor of Science, major in Psychology.
Pag bata ka pa, for me one of the best way to care for a child is behavioral. You use the behavioral perspective. Pero importante din yung tinatawag na kasama rin dapat yung cognitive, no? Yung humanistic perspective. Kung behavioral alone will not be enough, it need to have a humanistic perspective. No? Ganun din yung humanistic, by itself will not be effective. So I suppose both should be present.
Certain behavioral ways that helps the child. For example, you yourself told your stories about when you did good, or when you completed a task, your parents rewarded by way of allowing you to view TV, and you feel good, or you feel motivated to do your work next time a little better.
Kung human instinct, kasi if you use humanistic, you tend to bring out the best in the person or in the child. You see the child as worthy, you see the child as having the potential, you see the child as good, as best, yung mga ganun. It's about dealing with optimistic things.
Humanistic perspective, it focuses on the positive image of what it means to be human. So, positive sa kanya, yung pros niya, matuto ka maging independent. Pero yung cons naman niya, pwede mo isipin na, ay bakit parang wala silang pakialam sa akin, ay bakit ganito, ay bakit ganyan. Then parang maghahanap ka sa ibang tao. Tapos yung behavioral perspective naman, yung pros naman niya, sa treatment, mas mura siya, kasi mas mabilis siya, tapos mas effective siya.
When I was a child, my age is 54, right? So I was born in the 50s. So definitely, I was reared by my parents as well. Behavioral. Okay, the old-fashioned thing, meaning we are conditioned. You finish your school, if not, ganon. Okay? So, may reward and my punishment. Okay, during the time, if I cannot finish my homework, I cannot go to sleep. If I cannot finish my household chores, I cannot go to school. Okay? That's it. That's how my parents reared me when I was a child.
Sa akin, more on the behavioral. Kasi nga, ando na yung reward and punishment. No? If I do good, then I will be rewarded. If I do bad, then I will be punished. No? Something like that.
I would say there was more of behavioral, and and a good amount of humanistic elements, I would say.
More of humanistic, I think. I was viewed by my parents as an individual with the potentials na pwedeng i-develop, na with as a worthy person. So yun mga ganun.
Behavioral. Kasi dito sa Philippines ba, more behavioral, kailangan may rules, tapos may hindi naman kailangan. Pero usually ganyan nangyayari. Lalo na, kunyari, pagkabata pa. Tapos yung gustong gawin ng parents mo, bago sila maging parents, yun yung usually ginagawa nila para sa mga anak nila. So, kunyari, kailangan mo mag-honor, kailangan mo mag-ganito, may prize ka, pagka naging first ka, yung gano'n. Pero pagka hindi ka first, may masasabihan ka.
Humanistic ang approach ko with my children because I made them a choice. If you do this, it's up to you. Because of the environment and because of the generation right now, you cannot put something to them that they don't like. But be sure that they are being guided.
Pag ano siya, pag bata pa siya, parang mas maganda to lean more on the behavioral. But at the same time, importante din na ini-stress sa kanya, ano yung dahilan kung bakit may reward siya at saka para ma-reinforce yung idea about it. Maging positive yung result.
Balance of both. Yeah.
Humanistic. Because I would like the child to know that he is worthy and he has the potential parang to become the best person that he can be.
Behavioral siguro, para ma-establish yung pag-iisip na hindi pwedeng kung anong gusto ko, yun na lang lagi. Pero para sa akin, mas maganda if ever kung bata ka, behavioral perspective, para alam mo yung do's and don'ts. Tapos yung pagpatanda ka na, medyo tumatanda ka na, humanistic perspective na.
Para sa akin, mas okay yung behavioral perspective kasi minsan, mas okay yung pinaparusahan para madisiplina yung bata. Kailan mo yung bata ko, kinukulong ko sa bodega para pumasok kasi tawad ako pumasok. So, ayun, mas okay yung behavioral. Tapos kapag may nagawa akong mabuti, meron din ko reward. Kaya, mas, yun.
Para sa akin, behavioral perspective yung tama. Kasi pag may nakagawa yung bata, syempre kailangan mong parusahan para madisiplina. Nung bata ako, pag may nagagawa akong masama, ayun, pinapalo ako ng parents ko ng symptom. Depende kung anong hawak nila, kung hanger, di hanger. Pag, pag upuan minsan, upuan yung pinapalo sa akin.
Para sa akin, behavioral perspective kasi pag may reward and punishment, mas matututo yung bata kapag mas madidisiplina kaysa pag-decide din siya mag-isa. Pero pag lumalaki na, pwede na siya humanistic perspective. Yung bata kasi pinapalo din ako pag ginagawa ko masama. Tsaka may reward din kung nag-excel ako sa school. So yun, kung bata pa, behavioral perspective, tapos pag dumalaki, humanistic.